Hello friends, welcome to the Family Pharma BD YouTube channel. Friends, the medicine you see in this video is Fleven tablet manufactured by Square Pharmaceuticals. It is primarily used to treat the problem of decreased sexual desire in premenopausal women, also known as hypoactive sexual desire disorder or HSDD. The main active ingredient is flevenserine 100 mg. What does premenopausal woman mean? A premenopausal woman refers to those women who have not yet reached menopause, that is, their menstrual cycles are still regular, but due to aging and hormonal changes, they are approaching the end of their menstrual periods. This phase is called premenopause, or the stage before menstruation stops. In simple terms, a premenopausal woman is one whose menstruation is still ongoing, but she is gradually moving toward menopause, the cessation of menstruation. During this time, hormonal changes can cause various physical and mental changes in the body. Typically, women between the ages of 40 to 50 go through this premenopausal phase. Some symptoms of this phase may include changes in the menstrual cycles, irregularity or reduced bleeding, hot flashes or sudden feeling of heat, sleeping disturbances, mental stress, mood swings, irritability, decreased sexual desire. Because of these changes, premenopausal women may require a specific type of medication or treatment, such as flevenserine, which helps increase sexual desire. Today we will learn about this widely used prescription medicine called Fleven. In this video, we will explain Fleven in detail to help you get a clear understanding of this medicine. Not only this video, but I have also provided detailed information about Fleven in the description box below, from where you can learn more. In today's video, we will cover what is Fleven, why is it used, how to use it properly, side effects, important precautions. What is Fleven? Fleven is a non-hormonal prescription medicine that helps increase sexual desire by altering the chemical balance in the brain. It is not hormone therapy. Instead, it works by enhancing the activity of dopamine and norepinephrine and reducing serotonin activity in the brain, helping normalize sexual desire. Why is Fleven used? Mainly used for treating hypoactive sexual desire disorder or HSDD in the premenopausal women who have experienced a long-term decrease in sexual desire. Fleven is not used if decreased sexual desire is caused by any physical illness, mental disorder or side effects of other medications. It is also used as part of a doctor's long-term treatment plan to increase sexual desire in women. How to use Fleven correctly? Usually taken once daily at bedtime. Can be taken with or without food. Do not take more than one per day. If no improvement is seen after 8 weeks, consult your doctor and discontinue the medicine. Side effects of Fleven: headache, dizziness or feeling faint, nausea or vomiting, sleeping or fatigue, hypotension or low blood pressure, sleep problems or insomnia, feeling heavy-headed or drowsy, depression or mood changes. Precautions: avoid alcohol completely because it increases the risk of dizziness and sudden drops in blood pressure. Should not be used if you have liver problem. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should use it only after consulting a doctor. May cause dizziness, fatigue, nausea or sleeping. Can affect mental health, causing depression or mood swing. Consult a doctor if this occurs. Limitations and important information about Fleven. It is not only for women, not for men. It is only for women, not for men. May not be effective for all types of decreased sexual desire. Does not provide immediate results, may take several weeks. Starting or stopping without doctor advice is strictly prohibited. Fleven is a prescription-based medicine and should only be used under proper diagnosis and medical supervision. If you like this video, please like, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Family Pharma BD for more health related videos. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.